Good afternoon and Jai Hind student. Welcome to Sunbeam School Sultanpur. Online classes will be starting NCERT class 11 chapter 1 political theory. It's your chapter 11 or second book chapter 1. Now in this video we discuss some important question of this chapter. Now your first question, in what ways in the study of political theory useful for us, and identify 4 ways in which political theory can be useful to us. So, political theory has great significance in the present scenario, political science and political institution. The study of political theory is useful for us in the following ways. Firstly, political theory helps us to understand political realities, and political theory simplifies the knowledge and theories are valuable for researchers, and political theory help us to understand and explain the nature and causes of social changes. So political theory कहीं ना कहीं जो पॉलिटिकल रियलिटी है उसको समझने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है. पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी हेल्प्स टू इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग रिकॉग्निशन एंड definition of some events and facts, and political theory simplifies the knowledge. It converts the facts into symbols so as to make them easy to remember and define. It helps us in analyze and generalization of facts. Theories proves economical to researchers as these save their time and make research work easy to accomplish. And political, it studies various aspects and effects of social changes. Secondly, politics is more than what politicians do. Do you agree with this statement? Give example. Yes, of course, politics is all about government and peoples. Government, or you may have, politicians must surely ensure the human rights and give them to best of facilities. But instead, our politicians are corrupting and making money for themselves, and even they are forgetting the main fact that they are working for the people. कहीं ना कहीं जो पॉलिटिशियन है वो ये भूल जाते हैं कि उन्हें वर्क किसके लिए करना है, गवर्नमेंट के लिए या अपने लिए. वो पॉलिटिक्स इसलिए अपना लेते हैं कि वो अपना बेनिफिट, बस वो हर जगह करप्ट करते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं मनी कमाने के लिए लग जाते हैं और पीपल्स के वेलफेयर में वर्क नहीं करते हैं. कमिंग टू एग्जाम्पल, इन इंडिया रोड्स एंड हॉस्पिटल्स आर इन इट्स वर्स्ट कंडीशन कंपेयर टू अदर्स. पॉलिटिशियन नीड टू बी मोर एक्टिव. अगर आज हम देखें किसी भी सरकारी ऑफिस को या हॉस्पिटल्स को, स्कूल्स को, रोड्स को, आज उनकी इतनी बुरी हालत है, और ये किस रीज़न से? जो हमारे पॉलिटिशियन एक्टिव नहीं है, वो केवल अपना बेनिफिट सोचते हैं, पीपल्स का बेनिफिट नहीं सोचते. अगर आज वो एक्टिव होते, लोगों के वेलफेयर में वर्क करते, तो शायद इंडिया की हॉस्पिटल्स और स्कूल एंड गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स की ये कंडीशन ना मिलती. नाउ योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू यू थिंक studying political theory is like studying mathematics? No, studying political theory is not like studying mathematics. Work on well-defined concept and principle, while political theory study people and have not accept concept of principle. It differ according to context. In political theory, we deal with the origins, meaning and significance of political ideas that we are familiar with, such as freedom, equality, citizenship, justice, development, nationalism, secularism, etc., which have so many definitions. But in mathematics we have one definition of a triangle, square. This is because opinion of people changes on issue like equality, unlike objects. कहीं ना कहीं हम पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी में लोगों की थिंकिंग क्या है इक्वलिटी के बारे में, हर चीज़ के बारे में, चाहे फ्रीडम हो, इक्वलिटी हो, सिटीजनशिप हो, जस्टिस हो, डेवलपमेंट, सबकी अलग अलग डेफिनेशन देखते हैं. बट मैथमेटिक्स में ऐसा नहीं है. हमें ट्रायंगल की केवल एक ही डेफिनेशन होगी, या किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए एक ही डेफिनेशन का यूज़ करा जाएगा. बट हम पॉलिटिक्स में हर चीज़ के बारे में नॉलेज लेते हैं, हर कंसेप्ट की नॉलेज लेते हैं. Vigilant citizens are a must for successful working of a democracy. Comment. Vigilant citizens are a must for the successful working of a democracy, as they help in reaching the roots of the democracy. They create awareness among the masses about the rights of citizens and policies of the government, which leads to mature discussion and debate on the issue. Thus, citizens can force the government to implement new policies or modify old one by mobilizing their opinion. Now, thank you, student. In next video, we discuss other topic of the chapter.